Legend says that long before the world knew peace, dragons descended from the heavens to defend Vietnam from invaders. As they swept across the sea, they spat jewels and emeralds into the water, stones that rose into towering limestone mountains. The enemy ships shattered against the hidden peaks, and the dragons remained, resting where they had saved the land. That place became known as HaLongbay, the Bay of Descending Dragons.
But instead, today we are just going on a 2-day, 1-night cruise around those limestone giants.
We are finally here on the boat. It has been a bit of a chaotic morning, to be completely honest. We waited for the boat, and actually you don't get on this big boat straight away. You need to take a little boat to actually get here.
It's called a tender.
So that takes about an hour from the shore. Then we had a bit of an introduction to the boat, and then we get straight into lunch. And then we finally made it to our room, and now we are finally exploring the boat. The lunch was pretty decent. They kept bringing things out. A little bit overwhelming, to be honest. Too much food.
There was a lot of food. It was really good, but there was a lot.
Yeah.
On the agenda for this afternoon is kayaking. The options are kayaking or swimming, but I mean, why wouldn't we kayak, you know? Like, look where we are. This is absolutely incredible.
One thing I also noticed just before we get into it, there seems to be a lot to do on board. So we just went for a little walk before. They've got a swimming pool. It's more of a plunge pool, but it's all right. There are multiple balconies, different viewpoints. The restaurant is massive. Obviously you can get room service and all that kind of stuff. I think they're doing a cooking lesson tonight. They've got Tai Chi tomorrow.
We're gonna go squishing tonight.
Squishing is another thing.
Which I'm so excited about because we went squishing in Pattaya in Thailand and I was very good at it, so...
Yeah, so that should be interesting.
Hopefully I'm still good at it.
Yeah. Without further ado, we need to get on. We need to...
Go kayaking.
Go kayaking around one of these mountain islands, I think.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get into it.
Okay, we are about to check into our room for the first time on the Doria Cruise. You've seen them already, hey?
I saw a few pictures online, but I stopped because I don't want to ruin the surprise for me. Yeah.
Yeah, so the staff have already dropped our luggage in our room, so...
You haven't seen it?
I haven't seen it at all,
Alright.
so I'm very excited.
Wow.
It's huge! It's actually massive.
This is bigger than our bedroom at home.
It actually is. This feels like a hotel room, not like a...
Yeah, like one of the nicest hotel rooms we've ever stayed in as well, might I say.
I don't know what I expected. When I thought of like a room on a cruise ship, I just thought of like a pirate ship, like a cabin.
Yeah.
This is huge.
Hopefully there are no big waves in the middle of the night, but other than that...
We should be fine.
Yeah, and we got a beautiful TV as well.
Oh my god, I didn't even see that.
I actually only brought 2 movies, but you can choose.
Okay.
Titanic or Jaws.
You're lying. Great. The bath?
Oh, go check it out, yeah.
This is huge!
And that's a nice shape for a bath.
Yeah.
It actually looks like it will be comfortable. And even the shower is beautiful.
Oh,
We should have booked a few more nights, I think.
Yeah.
Should we try? Should we just like
We have
stay on the
accommodation
boat?
booked in how long?
We could probably like hide in like a cupboard or something and just stay on the boat.
Just not leave either. Oh my gosh. This is insane. And our view? What the
Should we go
heck?
outside real quick?
Yes.
Check this out, guys. Watch your step.
Oh my god.
We can go fishing right here.
Oh, it's huge. Oh my god. I'm like speechless a little bit.
I think I could live on this. Should we just move to a boat?
Boat life vlogs incoming.
Yeah. Imagine that.
This is absolutely insanity.
A few moments later.
Come on.
Thank you, man.
Alright, about to go kayaking in HaLongbay.
I'm excited. It's gonna be good.
Once in a lifetime.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll jump in the water.
No. Maybe you will jump.
Wonder if there's any sharks
Ryan,
or jellyfish or stingrays
do you want me to kayak with you? Or no?
or deadly sea creatures. I'm gonna ask. Are there sharks in the water?
No sharks, sir.
Oh.
No
Phải
là mình tiếc để làm gì cả.
Sometimes jellyfish.
Okay, that's alright. That's
No
alright.
shark. Because in this area
It's very low.
Oh, really?
Alright, just around 4 meter high.
Is that right? Okay, okay.
Not so scared then.
You can jump off the board.
Really? Is it warm? Should be alright. Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah. There's our boat. And we're in this little boat. This is pretty cool.
This is so much fun.
Look at all the mountains around us.
I can't look, you know, because I'm scared. I'm scared.
Oh man, breathtaking. It's so quiet as well. Whoa, I think this guy lives here on our left. He's like hanging his washing up out there. That guy's living the dream, man. Could be a pirate. I think that's the main vendor boat. They come round on the little boats to deliver the drinks to all the cruisers. I could be wrong. Wow, beautiful.
We did it. I'm not as a scaredy cat as I was. Just kayaking around the limestone. What are they? Cliffs? Hills?
I think it's a mountain.
It's not a mountain.
What's the altitude difference between a mountain and a hill?
I think these are hills. Anyway, we are
In the middle of nowhere.
in the middle of nowhere. Just kayaking. It's silent except for nature and a couple of Vietnamese kids squealing and screaming.
And a Vietnamese lady sharpening her knife on
Yeah.
the boat.
Yeah, we rode away from her pretty quickly. It is time for me to defend my title as ultimate squid catcher.
Have you ever fished with a bamboo rod before?
No, and how do you reel it in?
What do we do if we catch one?
How do you get it up?
Sashimi.
Ah, yeah.
No squid, no breakfast. Okay.
Got it.
Good luck tomorrow.
Do you want to go over here?
I think over here.
Okay, oh, under the light. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Don't put this in the video if I don't catch any.
Okay.
I have honor to uphold, you know?
Yeah.
Right.
You got something. Look at that.
Look how much it's jiggling. Oh my god.
Whip it up. Whip it up.
Big boy. Freeze frame.
All right.
Okay. You all saw my beautiful giant squid. It's very, very bright in here, but we're about to head to bed. That's the plan, right?
Yeah, I'm really tired. It's been a big day.
Alright, cruise is over and done with. We just disembarked the tender that brought us from the Doria Cruise back to the harbour.
So, in review, what did you think?
Loved it.
Yeah?
Had a blast. I think the staff were incredible. The food was really good. There are lots of little activities that you can do. Waking up this morning, we just checked out and went and had lunch. I missed the Tai Chi,
Yeah.
but
Too
that
early.
was at like 6 a.m. So, sorry, not sorry.
I feel like if we were to offer any advice to anyone that's thinking about doing it, I would do 2 nights.
Yeah.
I kind of
If
regret
you have
only
the
doing
time,
one. Yeah.
then yeah, do 2.
There are so many things to do on board, and you know, especially with us filming it and doing this for the first time, you want to do as much as you can.
Yeah.
We didn't have much time to relax.
No.
Just being completely honest. Booked 2 nights.
And the Wi-Fi on board is not good.
Yeah.
So you really do have to switch off,
Yeah.
which is fine if you don't work online.
Yeah, it's really, you get small pockets of Wi-Fi,
Yeah.
but don't rely on it at all. But yeah, anyway,
Time to head home.
glad I did it. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
See you in the next one.
Peace.